When a 200-ton aircraft lands at 150 miles per hour, the energy has to go somewhere. That somewhere is the brakes. Within seconds of touching down, the friction turns kinetic energy into a massive firestorm of heat. We're talking over 600 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt aluminum. But here's the problem, that heat is trapped inside the wheel. If it reaches the tires, they could explode like bombs. This is where the aviation world's hidden hair dryers come into play. Look closely at the wheels of an Airbus AE320 or a long-haul jet, and you'll see them, brake cooling fans. These aren't for the engines. They are high-powered electric fans built directly into the wheel hubs. When the pilot flips the BRK fan switch, these turbines roar to life, sucking massive amounts of ambient air directly across the glowing brake stacks. It's a race against physics to stop the heat from transferring to the most vulnerable part of the plane, the rubber tires. But it's not just about safety, it's about business. A plane can't take off if its brakes are too hot. It's an F of a law. Without these fans, a plane might have to sit on the tarmac for hours just to cool down. With them, they can be back in the air in minutes. So, next time you hear a loud, whirring sound while your plane is parked at the gate, it's not the engine, it's the brakes getting a much-needed blast of cold air. 2 minutes, one cool secret, mystery solved.